Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing a wash day and this is my first wash day since I've put this second set of braids in my hair for the summer. I've been out of town recently. I was in Denver for one of my nephew's soccer tournaments. So I've been outside. It's been funky. I thought about doing like a travel wash day again with you guys, but I was like, no, I don't want a makeshift anything. Like, I want my hair to be cleaned, and I think I'm gonna wash like the full length of my braids because I was outside, baby. I was sweating. He had me jumping up and down screaming. Auntie was on the sidelines. Usually I would not do that so soon after just putting my braids in, but I feel like it needs it. Like, yeah, well, actually, it doesn't smell bad. I thought it smelled bad, but it doesn't. So yeah, I'm debating. I'm on the fence about it. But I am gonna cleanse my scalp really well. Side note, I know you guys can tell from my braids that I put like some like lighter brown pieces of hair. Baby, I'll link this hair that I use. It's not good. It is not good. I just think I've been having like a string of bad luck. I think this is the Lord telling me, go back to what you know. Anyways, I did not do a new tutorial for these braids because I did them the same way as I did my last ones. So I'll link the first tutorial I did at the beginning of the summer so you guys can go check it out if you're interested in it. But just a little FYI note for anyone who is new here. No, I do not put any like grease or, well, I won't say grease. Well, yeah, I don't use grease, but I don't put any grease or like heavy gel or anything on my scalp or hair to part it. I put a little bit on the base of my hair to like smooth it down, but as far as like lining my scalp with that and doing it, no. Again, that's all kind of outlined in my tutorial, so I would definitely recommend you go watch that if you're like curious like what that looks like. But this process that I'm doing to wash my braids, I feel like it is essential, and it's like what helps my hair grow the most during braid season is because I keep a hair regimen. I am putting products on it daily. I'm using some new products today that I have not used before. It's kind of like a Briogeo wash day, if you will. The Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Buildup Detox Spray. So this is, I don't know if it'll focus on it. There you go. This is a product that you spray on your hair before, so it like lifts up all of like the stuff on your scalp. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not gonna use the Mazani or the Wonder Crown from Carol's Daughter. I'm using an actual shampoo today. I've told you guys that this method that I do, you can do it with an actual shampoo, or you can do it with like a pre-wash treatment like the Mazani or the Carol's Daughter products that I use. But this is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Dandruff Relief Shampoo with AHA and BHA and salicylic acid. I just noticed that I was seeing like flakiness, like, you know, little specks of stuff in my hair while I was out of town. So I was like, oh, when I get back, I'm gonna do like a really good like clarifying type of situation. I don't know if it was because I was out in the sun and my scalp was just getting super dry. I don't know. If you're new here, no, I do not apply a conditioner, rather like a traditional like creamy conditioner to my braids. I do not do that because a lot of the times those are hard to like let them sit on your hair and fully get it out of your hair. So I use a leave-in treatment or a water-based leave-in conditioner. Whatever it is though, it's gonna be water-based like this. If you can see there, if it will focus. Focus. There you go. So it's water-based like that because these products will absorb into my hair and into my scalp versus sitting on top. And I have two serums I'm going to use today. I've been using the Verb Density Peptide Hair Serum, so I'm going to keep using that. I'm about halfway through this bottle. If I haven't already, I should have coming a 4-week update on how this product worked for me. And then they also sent me this product, which I have been curious to try for a little while now. When I say they, I mean Briogeo. It's their Scalp Revival. Ooh, I hate that sound. Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. This is what it looks like. So this is a scalp treatment formulated with tea tree oil, biotin, witch hazel to help soothe dry, flaky scalp and restore hydration. So I'm going to use this on my edges mostly, and then this will be for the rest of my hair. Lay my hair down afterwards. I want to use the Heritage by Mindy curl enhancing foam. That's just to make our braids lay flat. And then I always finish it off with some sort of hair scent perfume something. So I've been using this one from Kristen S. It's their Translucence 3 hair perfume. It kind of looks like a men's cologne, and it has a little bit of a masculine scent to me. I just need to get my hair and scalp clean, and then I'll come back at the end and let you guys know how my hair feels, okay? our hair feels so much better, so much cleaner, so much more refreshed. So happy I got to do that. Now I am going to do my nails. That's it. All the products will be linked down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.